love you, let me jump in your game.